welcome back to another video. Where do y'all think I'm going? I'm going in the gym, y'all, and I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm going in this gym. So let's go. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, so first of all, I want to thank Fitville for sending us these nice, comfortable sneakers, y'all. Now, I'm going to give you all the advantages on these sneakers. They're for diabetic, if you're overweight. It's for the elderly, if you're pregnant, if you're having knee pain, foot pain, and even if you don't have any of those problems, these are very comfortable. And be sure to use my code FFH30. It will be in the link just in case you guys would like to order these comfortable sneakers, y'all. When I say comfortable, I'm not even stunting, y'all. These feel like I'm on clouds, okay? You better go out and check out the link and get you a pair. These are my pair, y'all. These are women's. I picked these sneakers. They're black. You can wear these with everything, y'all. And they are so comfortable. They have wide width. They have narrow. They have just regular. And these are the other sneakers that I had got for Jamara. He's a big boy. 12s, and he got the blue pair. My son is a workout fanatic. He's very healthy. He loves to eat right. This is the link, y'all. This is the website. You can go on and check out all of their items, y'all. So grab a pen, get your laptop, get your computer, y'all, and check out this website, y'all. You're gonna love these items from Fitville. So right now, we're about to start putting our sneakers on, getting prepared to do a quick workout, y'all. So I just want to see really how true it is. So we're just going to start putting on our sneakers to get comfortable and start working out in this gym, y'all. So I wanted to give this my real results of how I think, my real God honest opinion, y'all. Okay. And once again, I thank you, Fitville, for shipping these items to us, sponsoring this video. We truly really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So we're about to get into this video. Oh, they feel so cute. They look cute, y'all. What y'all think? Comment below and tell me if y'all like how these look on me, y'all. Comment below and let me know if y'all liking the look, y'all. I think they look kind of cute. Okay, so Jamara is about to put on his, and he's about to get prepared. You know, he's my trainer, y'all. He's my inside trainer, y'all, because, you know, it's good to have a nice trainer with y'all to show you how things work in the gym, y'all. So I'm a little rusty, but I'm about to get back into this gym workout, y'all, because it makes you feel so much better after you do a workout. You feel refreshed, you feel rejuvenated, and it just makes you feel great when you work out. And then you eat healthy and start working out, and people can start seeing, oh my gosh, she's losing weight. Oh my God, you're looking healthy. So yeah. Working in the gym is a great thing. So, y'all, let's get into it. Enough with this chit chat. Let's get into it, y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl.
Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. The hoop so cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Vicky. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in the scene now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen. Wearing light, now I'm up ready to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back, so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him rigged. We ain't over it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Vicky. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Run around with Trace, OVO. I got some gas and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Keep falling behind in the years. In the rookie, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.
I can still go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party inside of your Arabian clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimbler though. I'm the one who run this city where they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all fictitious. I done bent the realest blocks, pushed the hardest sixes. Keep a couple killers that don't care how far them licks is. Look, bitches act like they want action. Heard they want action, bitch, we ain't ducking no action. I'm about to give them that traction, send a distraction. Then I'ma line them like fraction. Break, I let them live, look at all them eating. But these bitches gon' be mad once I call this meeting. Make a stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be subtle. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in the hot dog. I put these bitches on game, they should be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. It's Nicki M, such a little gem. Bitches wanna be around me, but I do not fuck with them. All these diamonds on me, fucked it. I hope nobody gets stuck. If I pull out the Ferrari, then my shooters in the truck. I can still go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party inside of your Arabian clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimbler though. It's like COVID when the goat is on the track, the whole game stop. But I ain't playing with these bitches, this ain't game stop. If Barbie in the building.
Hey y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. Shout out to Fitville for sponsoring this video. Clicking the link to get y'all some peace and love and stay blessed. Bye.